This is Jake from ATEC. I'm here with John from Hafley.
We're here to introduce Hafley's new FPCOM 63690. It's for 63 amp testing, 690 volt AC DC. Your Axos unit is integrated within the CDN. Down at the bottom, we have a main switch here. When the mains is set to control, only the Axos is powered on. You can do your single phase testing directly through the Axos. When you switch it to 3UT, EUT power, then your CDN is powered. We also have a current range switch. For 0 to 32 amps, you will set your unit to 32 amps. For 33 to 63, you will set it to 63 amps. Moving up, we have high-powered output cables. 1 meter, they're all included with the unit. Your basic connections to your front are your high COM and your EUT or EFT connection cable. Within the Axos unit itself, your control cable will connect and you will see the FPCOM 63 attached, and that's where you will do all your coupling paths. Coming to the back of the FPCOM 63 unit, you will see the Axos is all internally wired, so when the back panel is on, there's not going to be an excessive amount of cabling. You have an emergency stop that can be wired in, sold separately. If using the Axos single phase coupler, you will use this portion for your EUT power. And then coming down to your 690 volt power supply, this is a cable that's going to be included. So that will be this high powered cable. Moving to the bottom of the unit, this unit is built for expandability in the future for DC testing at higher bands.